Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Here is another cake recipe in this video. This is a quick recipe even for beginners can do easily. Let's start the recipe. Grease your cake mold. Set the butter paper and keep aside. Take a bowl, add 2 eggs. Powdered sugar 1 cup. Beat until the texture will begin to change to more thick and foamy. Combine 1 cup all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder in a separate bowl. 1 tablespoon chocolate essence. Combine dry and wet ingredients together. Be careful not to overmix the ingredients. Add 3 tablespoon oil. Pour batter into the prepared cake mold. Preheat the pan for 20 minutes before baking. Bake 20 minutes. Carefully remove the cake from the pan and continue to let it cool completely. Make sure to keep your whipping cream cold. As the whipping cream starts to thicken, slowly add the melted chocolate. Combine water, sugar, melted chocolate together and keep aside. Cut the cake into the layers. Place the first cake layer on a cardboard cake. Put chocolate syrup on cake. Syrup is necessary for cake, it helps make them moist. Fill the cake with the whipping cream. Add choco chips. Keep spreading the whipping cream along the sides until your entire cake is covered. Decorating the cake with melted chocolate. If you're going for a sweeter and stronger chocolate flavor, top the chocolate cake with chocolate ganache. Chocolate ganache hardens onto the cake making, it have a solid layer when you cut through the cake. I hope that this recipe would be helpful to you. Please do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.